offside already. Look at his man. Sexually frustrated face.
Shut up, bitch.
Bitch, I want to know. Hey, Ralph.
I'm not looking at the camera.
Need that much of a focus.
I'm saying it, but I'm not looking at it. Yo, you know what happened at the end of that, right? Not yet, not yet. It's too early for
Oh, Ralph becomes a faggot.
You good?
He opens with a no. It's like set.
Over here.
Well, I don't know.
I need that.
I want it well.
How's it feel?
It feels terrible.
You like it?
No.
You want some more?
It looks like I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, your face is just...
I'm trying to point out like this way, sideways when I was.
Stop moving. I knew it. I knew it.
No, it's like he was like way over here and you could barely see what I was playing. Oh, wow. You have to shift him over a little bit. He's looking at you, didn't empujarlo de una vez.
No, we caught on camera. He's crying.
Just like a...
That never happened. Why was you happy, huh? Why was you happy, huh?
It's right there.
Where? Warning.
Como el otro conveniente que me estaba arrancando el brazo ese día.
Who takes 5, I take?
Yeah, you take. Yeah, you need a break, man. Take 5. ¿Qué pasó?
I usually stop down a couple times, after work during the week. Me and my buddy Oscar, I work up at we play Tuesdays is usually Wednesdays is big night.
Oh, he's destroyed.
Tuesdays and Thursdays after 5 o'clock.
I got him tucked in. I'm not liking it.
I'm not liking you either.
I think really stupid because you can play with such a range. There's stupid combos out there. I think there's one deck that somebody built that has 52 infinite move combos in it. You know, it's just ridiculous.
It looks like a little kid. He's like,
It's for fun. It's made to play in a group. You know, so we're usually playing 46. You start with 40 life. You have to build the deck is exactly 100 cards. Everything from basic land. You have one creature that's a commander. It has to be a legendary creature. Okay. Summon legends, yeah, it has to stay legendary. what you do is you start the game with that guy in a place called command. Every time you cast him, you can cast him 3 times. 3 times.